Welcome to Introduction to Sculpting in Blender. I'm Henning and I'll be your instructor. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know in order to get started with sculpting. We're covering technical features like dyne topo, remeshing, the multi-res modifier, masking, facets, and generally showing a lot of different ways to approach sculpting. Just as importantly, you will learn sculpt techniques and fundamentals, which you can use in your everyday sculpting to really improve your work. The course has a good mix of theory and practical sculpt techniques. The first part focuses on the tools you need to sculpt, and the second part is all about fundamentals and learning, going deep into the why. Learn how to make clean shapes, the difference between high, mid, and low frequency, how to use reference, and many more skills which are highly relevant to your sculpting. We will also make our first sculpt together, sculpting up Suzanne the monkey. We'll be starting off with the base mesh, and then we'll use all the techniques we've learned throughout this course to really make a nice and solid sculpt at the end. By the time you finish this course, you've got all the skills you need in order to sculpt in Blender.